How to remove dandruff using vinegar. Dandruff is a common problem with symptoms that include excessive scalp flaking and itching on your scalp. Because dandruff can be caused by excess yeast or bacteria on the scalp, and yeast and bacteria need a specific pH to thrive, changing the pH of your scalp can help eliminate the problem. One way to easily change the pH of your scalp is to apply vinegar to it. Vinegar even has the added benefit of alleviating some of the itching associated with dandruff. Applying vinegar to your scalp on a regular basis can really help to remove your dandruff problem. Applying a vinegar rinse to treat mild dandruff. 1. Wash your hair. Don't use a heavy shampoo and conditioner. Try to use a citrus-based or tea tree oil-based product that doesn't strip your scalp of essential oils. 2. Apply a 1-to-1 mixture of vinegar and water to your wet hair. Pouring it slowly over your head, make sure to avoid your eyes. You may want to take a few breaks to work the mixture into your scalp with your hands. 3. Leave the water and vinegar mixture on your scalp for a few minutes. Give the wash some time to get into your scalp. There will be a strong smell of vinegar when you apply the wash, but ignore that, as it will wash out. 4. Rinse your hair thoroughly. You can shampoo and condition again, or you could simply rinse your hair with warm water. However, if you just rinse your hair with water, you may not get rid of all of the vinegar smell. 5. Repeat the vinegar wash daily until the dandruff disappears. It may take a few days for the dandruff to noticeably decrease, but keep up the routine and it should. You may get sick of the smell of vinegar, but the improved health of your scalp should be worth it.